Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol WAC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but a very nice move today. And not only was it a nice move from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume that this chart has had for quite a while. So let's get some levels of support mapped out, then we can talk areas of resistance. In terms of areas of support, the big one that stood out today in terms of where the buyers seem to officially be hanging out, right here at the 84-85 cent mark. I'm not going to count the number of times, but if you look, right here, you can see there's no doubt about it. Several instances today, the bears try to press down through that level, but to give full credit where credit's due, the bulls did a great job of holding strong. So right there, 84-85, definitely that near-term level of support. Taking a step back, looking at the big picture of things, so this definitely applies to those that care about more so kind of a broader, longer time horizon. But you can just use that purple line right there, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So from a very cut and dry point of view in terms of the health or lack thereof of the current price movement, as long as the price stays above that purple line, as the line itself moves itself higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, full control, however you can best visualize that, no questions asked. What about areas of resistance? As it stands right now, the sellers knocked it down today up at, I think, 95 cents, if my eyes are not deceiving me. Yeah, right up there at 95 cents. As far as next potential areas of resistance, let's take a look at the daily time frame. Now, each one of these represents an entire day. I realize we're going back quite a bit of ways in the chart's history, but this is a good problem to have because it just shows that the price has not been up this high for quite a while. So next overall area of resistance after that, right up around the $1.10 mark, but one step at a time. First got to get up above this 95 cent mark. But at the end of the day, any way you slice it, the name of the game is doing what it's been accomplishing, and that is just build higher bases. As long as higher bases continue to be built over time and you get these stair steps in place, the overall chart will continue to take care of itself. So nice way to start off the week. We'll see if the bulls can build upon this momentum or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.